Hello, everybody, and welcome again. And now, yes, I'm still your host. My name is Igwe Chigozie. On our earlier or one of our posts, one of our videos on how to, we spoke about event creation. But for today, I wanted to show you something else that has been added to our event creation. You can see now we have a lot of more options, but I'll come to each of them one after the other. So let's just delve into something familiar. Let's edit the event. So editing the event, we could just do the avatar, the image, the title, short description. But there's something more interesting that we've added. So now we've added invites and reminders. So for every event creation, now you can add emails of the people that you would like to have notified or invite to your event so that they will get like a reminder or an email saying that your event is starting at so time, at so date, all that good information. So all I just need to do is come here and type a name. Let's say Vascan at yopmail.com. So once I do that, I can just add the email, and you see there it just populates as much as you are adding. Or if you have a CSV file that has an email template of that you have, you can just also do that. Click on it, then you upload it, then it will then um, upload all the emails for you. Also, we've added speakers and special guests. So if you have special guests that you want to invite to the program, you can also come here and add their names. Let's say Adetunji. You can add Adetunji, let's say Gabriel. You can also add him here, so you see his name comes in as a special guest. Then speakers, people that you'll be performing on your event, you can also come here and add their names. So say I have a speaker, I have Emmanuel speaking on my event. I can just come here and add his name, Emmanuel KK. I can add his name, give it a comma, add another person's name. For now, let's just stick to Emmanuel. Just add Emmanuel's name. So for each person, so instead of doing one after the other, I can just see. You can say add one or more comma separated names. So for each name that you type in, let's say David, I put in a comma. I say Betty. Let's do that with a capital letter. So I can just add the speaker. So you see, everything just gets populated for you. So here at Vascan, we always try to make it easier, make it convenient for you to always add, to always use our platform so that all that hustle hassle of doing things is being taken away. So now I can just update. So I update my event, and it brings me back to this page, and I'm done. So like I said, we have other interesting thing that I was also added. So then now we can view insights. Before we come to insights, let's just go into insights so you can view insight. So I just created my own event, but I don't really have much thing to say. As you can see, if you check on the date that it was created, I just go back a little bit. So you can see August 15th. I believe today is August 15th. So I might not be able to see a lot of insight, but so let's go back there now. So August 15th, which is the day it was created, so it's today. So I won't really have more insight. Insights only come after 24 hours. And also people have to visit your event. So on our shop page, this guy right here so takes you to the event center where you can see the event. Will also come to that, so I can then check the range. So if I had created it earlier, I can then check from that point to this point. So let's just say from today up until, I can't go into the future because nobody has seen my event in the future. So let's just leave that for another day. So I can check the range. So like I said, if it was earlier, I can do from 6 to, let's say, today, to check my event. So I generate the insight. So generating it loads up, and you see, so total page view, average time on the page, total event. So all that insight stuff that you need for your event. Are people visiting your event? How many people are coming and going to view the event on our shop page? You can get all that analysis and insight here on this point. So let's just go back and do more on the events. So that's about the inside. Also, I can generate QR codes. That's another thing that Vascan has been able to add on our platform. So now you can generate QR code. I can just come and then scan it with your phone camera or with your laptop camera, whatever it is. You can just come then scan this barcode. Scanning the barcode will just take you straight to the event page where the event description and all of that it was being displayed. You can also download the QR code so that you can then maybe use it on your phones or send it to people and all of that. That's also available. Another thing we have added is to view the room. So for every event created, online events created, also offline, you can also we also have private rooms. I'm sure we are aware of that. So now I have a private room for this my event. Private room, I named it Gbemi Debs 2.0. So now I can on click of that option, it takes me straight into the private room. So you see now this is our private room setup. I don't know if we've done the private room video how to before, but this is a good opportunity. So now, please always read up before you navigate. So it says overview by signature test gallery. So it gave me leads in instructions. Say first, ensure a fast and stable internet connection for an optimal and enjoyable experience. That's a given. Utilize the arrow keys up, down, left, right, all that to move around the virtual space. So let me give you a backstory. So private room is saying that when you go to the studio, when you go to all these arts galleries and you see all those paintings to your left, to your right, and you have to then move around. So here at Vascan, we have found a way to incorporate all of that into our platform. So now, if I let me not say too much, but let me not give away too much juice. But in summary, we brought the outside experience into our platform. So you see, the mouse will be locked initially, and you can press the escape key to unlock it. Click on the 3D room to lock the mouse and navigate the space. Icons, click the three bars icon to see the instructions. Select the cart icon to view and manage your shopping. Use the eye icon to view the artwork in the exhibition, and you can click an artwork there to navigate directly to its position in the virtual space. Also, choose the door icon to exit the private room. So now let's explore. If you need to use the mouse for any reason, press escape, ES key, escape, and 3D room will pause. So now let's explore. Now I'm in the private room. So you see, this is like somebody in the private room. Just imagine you are standing somewhere and you're just going around. So I can see electronic cutting chips, small fresh baking, general. So it's like you're moving your eyes right to see the artworks in the room. Tell me this is not amazing. I think it is. So you see, and I can also go left. I don't want to bend my neck, so I can always move left again. And something interesting also, you can see the red dot on some of the artwork. That's saying to you that that artwork has been sold. So that, and some of them don't have the red dots. They're saying that that's available on sale, so you can always still buy them and all of that. So you can see I can go left. I can just check it out. So you see. Remember now, if I want to escape from all of these, what do? I press my escape key. So press my escape key, I see my mouse back. Then I can come here and check the options. So you see exhibition. So you see these are the artworks that are on display in that private room. I close it. See now I'm back into the private room. Pressing the escape key again, I see my mouse. I can come here, three dots. You can see, in case you are lost on what to do, you can also always check our instructions so that they can better navigate you in the private room. So let's cancel that. What's next? Escape key again. shop page. So if you want to buy, if you want to buy any of the artworks, you can just check straight up to this point where you can shop or check the basket of the ones that you have selected or you have not selected. So yeah, so in summary, this is the private room for that event. So yes, so yeah, that's a good thing that has been added to our event. On a different video, I'll properly go into the private room navigation, buying, selling, sorry, not selling, buying, navigating, and all of that. But today is just about events. So let's focus on events. Another thing is, so for this event, there are two private rooms that have been created. So now I can either view this, can view the test room invite, and I can also view the Gbemidebe insights. So this one has just been also been decided insights there. It was created today, so there won't be much insight to grasp on. But yes, it's in summary, you can always generate the insights for um that particular event. So everything is zero because it was created today. So after today, whoever visits that page, whoever visits that private room, whoever visits that event, everything will be populated here after 24 hours. So yeah, let's go back again. So yeah, in summary, these are the few things that's been added to our event creation and the private rooms. So yeah, for more questions, you always know how to get in touch with us on our social media. Contact us and all that, and we are always ready to answer your questions. Thank you again for watching, and bye bye.